Good day, YouTube. This is J Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just another video here on another lithium play. I've covered quite a few lithium stocks here on the channel, and just come across this one, researching some other things, and thought it looked kind of interesting. The price is right. It trades over the counter, so you can't get this one on Robinhood. If you're looking for a different platform outside of Robinhood, I have several links in the description, so you'd have to get this one on TD Ameritrade or Fidelity. I always recommend Fidelity first, because they don't charge a commission for over the counter. If you can't get it there, check out TD Ameritrade. But this is United Lithium Corp, ticker ULTHF, and as you can see, it's currently 82 cents. Here's what it looks like over the last year. Could have got into it for 10 cents back in June, 9, so under a dime back in June, and it ran up to 69 cents here last August, and had a nice spike here, $1.31 on February 23rd, and then it kind of came down since then. So small market cap on this one of 50.59 million. And this is how many shares it has outstanding as well. Kind of small volume on this one. I haven't, of course, got this one yet because I just found it, but I might be looking at it tomorrow. Might be buying some shares on it. I like to try a couple different lithium plays and just kind of hold them for a while and see what happens with them. And I don't feel you can go wrong with any lithium play. They're all got to go up eventually. So, of course, there's some that are better than others, but this one doesn't look too bad, and the price is right. So, and here's kind of what it did on Friday. But it engages in the acquisition, exploration of mineral properties in the United States, holds interest in Ray Mesa Project, a uranium vanadium property located in Colorado. Company was formerly known as United Lithium Corp and changed its name to United Battery Metals Corp in August of 2018. And I was looking at something and clicked, and this article came up, and this is where I found the ticker and the United Lithium Corp. So I clicked on it and said lithium, so I'm always interested in lithium. So but carbon free, the United States will be carbon free by the year 2035. So like I said, this is ground floor opportunity. I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. You'd have to do your own due diligence, but you could make a fortune from new lithium mining operations, just as it says here. That's why I've looked into quite a few of them. So the carbon-free declaration, now the United States joins virtually every major country in the world, fast-tracking the carbon-free pledge. President Biden's new energy plan calls for 100% clean electricity and has pledged to eliminate carbon emissions from the electric sector by 2035. The aggressive energy goal can only be achieved by electrifying transportation and increasing the supply of electric vehicles. And this means just one thing: lithium batteries that power electric vehicles, EVs. As you follow my channel, I've covered quite a few lithium plays: cobalt, nickel, EVs, of course, Tesla, solar, anything in the green area to make money on. So increase for demand in lithium-ion batteries is also due to the skyrocketing growth of high-tech consumer electronics. And just as you can see here below, so we got the dark is consumer electronics, stationary storage, passenger EVs, e-buses. I've even covered here on the channel commercial EVs and electric two-wheelers. I've covered a couple motorcycles here. So right here is where we are. And so as you can see, this is probably just gonna double, triple, quadruple in the by 2030. and that's only 9 years away, so we're just kind of in a little bit of growth spurt here. I'll go ahead and link this link in the description, as there's quite a bit of information in here. Of course, I can't read it all to you, or else it would be a half an hour video, and I don't think anybody wants to sit around listening to me for half an hour and read all this to you, so I'll go ahead and link this. But there's all kinds of great information, as you can see right here. This is where I come across it. So got it started in lithium exploration in Thunder Bay, Ontario, on the Barber Lake lithium property. So if you have any of this one, the ULTHF, United Lithium, go ahead and put that in the comments. And if you have any other lithium plays out there, I've talked about Lithium America's Corp on the channel here before. That's probably my biggest lithium holding. Ticker is LAC, and I've done really well with that one. I've actually made a couple videos on Lithium America's Corp. But as you can see, there's just all kinds of information here. This goes over the top 5 lithium-ion battery mega factories. As you can see here, Tesla, and so on. But all kinds of good information in that particular article. Why the first quarter of 2021 has been promising for the lithium market. The first few months of the year have been bright for lithium market, with the interest in battery metals increasing as electric vehicles take over new headlines around the world, despite the volatility brought by the CV pandemic to every market. Lithium has shown resilience, and prices performed on an uptrend during the first quarter. So I'm not going to read all this to you, so feel free to pause. But active mining stocks in the market this week include Lithium South Development Corp. Might need to look into that one and do a video about that one as well. Haven't heard of that one. Here's Lithium America's Corp, ticker LAC. I did a video about Piedmont pretty recently, ticker PLL. I've talked about Albemarle before, ALB. And I believe I've talked about Livent even, LTHM. And as you can see, pretty much New York, NASDAQ, New York. So pretty much all of those trade on the major exchanges, except Lithium South Development Corp. But that's alright. Might get uplisted. And again, there's the website lithiumsouth.com. United Lithium Corp completes acquisition of 100% of the Bergby Lithium project. This is just dated on the 30th. So last Friday. United Lithium Corp is pleased to announce further to its news release dated February 11th that it has completed the acquisition from the Leading Edge Materials Corp of 100% of issued of outstanding share capital in Bergby Lithium, which holds 100% of interest of the mining licenses. And so there's quite a bit of information in here as well. The ULTH shares will be escrowed and released over a 20-month period. Feel free to pause and go over the rest here for yourself. Investor relations, United Lithium. About United Lithium Corp is a exploration and development company energized by the global demand for lithium. Company is targeting lithium projects in politically safe jurisdictions with advanced infrastructure that allows for rapid and cost-effective exploration, development, and production opportunities. And again, feel free to pause and go over the rest there for yourself. Over here to Reddit. Poised for a large asset procurement as mineral demands poised to skyrocket, but prices are still dirt cheap. So exactly, demand is going to skyrocket, and just as it says, prices are cheap. So anything under $1, of course, you need to research the company and check it out first. But any of these plays under $1 in the lithium, they've got to go up at some point, because it's going to be short on demand. And so I feel all the companies should be able to do fairly well, but as you can see here, this group isn't even that big, only 272 people, so definitely ground floor is how I look at it. So 82 cents, I mean, even if you threw 10, 20 bucks at it, you could get 10, 20 shares, 25 shares. Just depends what you're looking to get out of it. So volume low across all boards. Can't believe how under the radar this is, and this is just dated on the 30th. How many guys here have large positions? Completes acquisition of 100% of Bergby Lithium Project. So pretty much all the information that we already went over, and nothing here on stock twits, but put this one on your radar. On TD Ameritrade, you can build a watch list and name them. So I've got one and just named it Lithium. But you can put these on your watch list and watch for dips and see. Buy the dips. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, but you could have got it here for 71 cents back on the 20th. And it looks like it ran up to about 87, so there is a little bit of volatility in this one, but you can see here over the year, over the long run, it kind of runs up and just kind of stay in that range. So but these for me are definitely a long-term play, but like I said, if you have this one or any other lithium plays, go ahead and leave that in the comments. That'd be interesting to know. And I thank you for watching, and if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. That would really help out the channel, and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.